Hey friends, if webcam keeps freezing or crashing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, in this situation, I'm assuming that your camera is working, but it is crashing or freezing. So you're able to at least launch it. If you're not able to launch it, then that is a different situation and we have a different video for that. But this is the case where you're able to launch it at least. So here's the thing that you need to do. Run the camera troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter. The next solution is to reinstall the camera drivers. How? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for cameras. Right click on the first one, update the drivers. You can also right click on this, select uninstall device, uninstall, and then click on action and scan for hardware changes. The last solution is an SFC scan, obviously. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.